You made the giraffe all better? Can you give him a hug? Oh, and a kiss. And are you going to give the giraffe a kiss? Oh, Molly's going to. The giraffe now has casts.
Okay.
That's right. You made them all better, Moll? Moll, you want to give the giraffe another big hug? Oh, honey, that's so nice of you. And you made him all better.
Yes, I do.
You fixed him all up. Good girl. There you go. Oh, now he's all better. Oh, that's so nice, Moll. Okay, you found some Kylands? You did find 2 Kylands. One for Anna, one for Molly. What you doing, Moll?
No.
Jump. Jump. You're not afraid of that giraffe anymore, are you? No way. Are you made him all better? All better. Now you both have Kylan. Ni hao, Kylan. Kylan.
No. Where did it? Dinosaurs? Yeah. You. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Say cool.
Kylan loves yeah and loves dinosaurs, huh? And off they go. Molly's still healing. Anna, can you say hi, Grammy?
Hi, Grammy.
Can you say I love you, Grammy?
I love Grammy.
Oh, that's my good girl. I love you too, Miss Anna. I love you, Molly. Molly, can you say hi, Grammy?
Hi, Grammy.
Good girl. Can you say I love you, Grammy?
I love Grammy.
That's right, Anna. This is a good day.
1, 2, 3. Okay.